Nice work, keep behind. Excuse me, sir, are you ready? Yes. Mic work, question for the minute. Follow myself.
Bueno, bien, hemos visto el aperitivo. Pensaba yo que estos ya habían llegado y vamos a ver salir a otros, ¿de acuerdo? Porque estos se van a cambiar por otros que luego van a Buckingham y ya una vez salgan de aquí unos que vayan a Buckingham, ya sale todo el grueso con la banda de fuego. Así que lo que hemos tenido ahora ha sido un aperitivo de suerte.
They call that central royalty. And two new ones there. Did you see them all leave the group? Take over. And the others are going to carry on. Yeah, you go in. I can see them. Now the rest of them are going to go round to the bottom, turn right, and go to St James's Palace where we were at the start. Okay? And then they're going to take over some of the old guards around the corner there. And eventually, in about 10 minutes' time, all the old guards who have been positioned here, guarding these royal palaces, will leave these gates here, will march past us here, we won't be here, they're going to get to the road and turn right, and they're going to go to Buckingham Palace and join all the other old guards. You all understand? There we go. So you might see the sergeant get a clipboard out that's inside the sentry box. That'll have all the duties for the rest of the day. It might be just a routine day, or it might be a day when they say 6 PM, the King's back home. They need to know these things, what happens. Or 8 PM, there's a big dinner, something like that. So you need to know all the things that happen. And if you're here, this is where Charles always leaves and comes back into when he's staying in London. So if you ever come here and there's lots of activity, lots of police and bikes, it might be the monarch who's just arriving or leaving.
Is there a big fan like this?
No, you know when there's a lot of police. When the monarch's home, the soldiers call it a long guard. When the king's not home or the queen's not home, it's a short guard. Okay, so he's asked the other two to join him. And these two here are coming off duty now. They've done their shift. And they're going to march down the bottom, turn right and join all the other. So these two are in position now, Irish Guards. It'll be 2 hours at Thinking. And even though they're not at war, if I was to charge them now past the police, get past them and go to the soldiers, they would first of all give me a warning, get back from the King's Guard, and then they're entitled to shoot me if I carry on. I won't do it.
And do they have to stand in a position like that?
They do, but what they will do, sir, during their shift, they'll come forward and they'll march up and down in front of this road here. You might see that. Or they might change their rifle like this. They might go, or they might stamp their foot. All these things are discipline, but also it gets the body moving. If you're standing still for 2 hours, you might do this, you might nod off, or you might mislead a terrorist trying to get in the palace. So during their period, they will do that all the time. They'll march up and down like this.
Built in 1825 for the royals, but eventually the royals sold it to our government. The government building Edison.
So what we'll do is go down here and take a little bit of a shortcut to down here.
be on duty for 24 hours. It's still a long shift.